Reading 450, transitioning to 45-degree rotation. Main gear assembly looks good. Affirmative, moving to the tail rotor group now.
Rotor linkage secured at point 4, clear for torque check.
Roger that, proceeding with the check. Alignment checks out on panel 4, confirmed structurally sound. We are good to go.
Panel secured, moving to final torque sequence.
Confirmed, watch the starboard clearance.
Torques are set on the main assembly. We are showing green across the board, ready for engine start.
Applying downward pressure now. Hinge articulation is solid.
Confirmed. Proceed with securing the assembly.
Topside secure, moving to egress.
Roger that, coming down.
Keep it coming back slow, hold it right there. Copy, vehicle secured. Keep it coming. Keep it steady. All right, hold it, hold it. Kill the engine, set the brake. Keep it coming back slow. Hold it, hold it. All right, clear.
Watch the left side. Steady. Bring it forward and slowly. Ground confirms load secure over the stops.
Roger that, balance indicator stabilizing. We are green for departure.
All systems nominal. Initiating rotor sequence.
King Stallion flight, lifting, power checks are good. 2's airborne, matching climb.
All hooks connected. Take the slack, pilot. We are good to go.
She flies smooth, all systems nominal on the pre-flight.
Confirmed, the bird is golden.
Rotor disc stable, engine performance nominal. Cargo hook holding steady, approaching limits.
Check the secondary attachment point, slight oscillation on the descent.
Roger, tracking confirmed. Pre-inspection team ready at the LZ.
He understands that operating near maximum gross weight pushes the airframe to its limits, requiring diligent and unforgiving maintenance routines.
He envisions the intense vibration and dust ingestion the engines must endure during these remote desert insertions, validating the need for frequent filter changes.
look at the leading edge. That's heavy erosion from the sand.
Roger that. The intakes won't be much better. Main gear looks solid, minimal sway. Copy that. Tail rotor clear.
Flight line 1 to Super Stallion 6, winds are stable at 15 knots, clear for departure.
The structural stress on this hatch during fast roping is immense. We need to inspect these reinforcements carefully.
Agreed. Let's check the logs against the maintenance schedule.
All grand, Chief! Send them down! Roger, moving now! Go, go, go! Move, move! Secure the perimeter! Flank is clear. Get that rope out of the way. Drop it easy. 5 feet down. Hold for the hookup team. Clear left, clear left.
Hold altitude, 5 meters left. Steady, steady, coming down on the target now.
Check the tension on 3. Looks good, all green, boss. Give him the lift signal.
Check the pressure on the primary lift hydraulics.
Reading stable, sir. Minor fluctuation on the secondary.
All right, hook is set, clear the zone.
Roger that, moving out. Lifting the load.
Stallion is clear of the zone. We are proceeding to waypoint 3, low altitude ingress. Reroute auxiliary power to the main bus.
Confirmed.
Be advised, turbulence ahead over the ridgeline.
Flare dispenser checks are good, boss.
Confirmed deployment. Egressing the hot zone.
Copy that, base. Scanning the sector now, looks clear on the western ridge.
When coming into an LZ, the pilot releases countermeasures flares to confuse any possible enemy missiles.
Torque check complete on C-system mount. Roger that, verify green on the diagnostic.
The aerodynamics on the Chinook are truly unique.
Especially stable in the hover, impressive for its size.
Rear gear touchdown confirmed.
Pressure steady, angle holding.
Maintain visual on the uphill rotor, check clearance.
Roger that, clearance steady at 5 feet.
When landing on a hillside, the crew keep an eye on the reduced clearance of the rotor blades from the ground. One of the outstanding features of the CH-47 is that it can perform a pinnacle landing, where only 2 wheels touch.
When soldiers on the battlefield calls for a dust-off, they are requesting a helicopter to evacuate wounded.
Go, go, move out! Clear right, keep moving! Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Get the strap secured now. Clear the ramp, we are loaded. All green on the starboard engine, requesting clearance.
During CASVAC missions, the helicopter is easier to target, so fighter cover is used when available. Synchronization check on lifters 1 and 2. Solid copy, right on the mark.
All right, make sure they're snug against the rubber.
Chocks are set, sending it up.
Grounding wire secured.
Confirmed. Ready for fuel link up.
Keep it steady. Up, up, up. Almost there, clear the latch.
Port 1 connected and secure, requesting pressure up.
Copy, bringing pressure up now.
Fuel pressure holding steady at 6 psi. Flow rate nominal.
Roger, flow established on F-35. We are code 2 on the helo, over.
Grounding cable secure. Proceed to the next aircraft.
Confirm all systems green.
Roger that, stand by for engine ignition.
Keep the area clear, watch the taxiway.
Confirmed, panel secure.
Moving to checklist review now.
Refueling complete, systems check green. Clear for engine start.
Fueling sequence initiated, pressure stabilizing at normal.
Roger that, maintain watch.
Access panel secure, ground power disconnected.
Confirmed. Mechanic 2. Final readiness checks complete.
All panels secure, visual clear.
Roger that. Initiating startup sequence.
Look at that climb rate. Way faster than the heavy lift choppers. Single engine advanced thrust. Keeps her light.
These new UAVs are changing everything, especially the maintenance protocols.
How are the composites holding up in this heat?
UAV separation successful. Autopilot engaged. Proceeding to waypoint 1.
The sheer endurance of this drone, staying aloft for over a week, puts incredible strain on its moving parts.
All right, slowly now, watch the wires on the left. Steady. Steady, steady, clear the rack. Okay, set it down gently.
All right, easy now, bring it up level.
Clear on the left side, it's seated. Nicely done, everyone.
Alignment is green, check your settings.
Roger that. Bracket secured, ready for launch. The shielding on the prototype chassis significantly reduces the thermal signature, as we discussed in the brief.
Understood. How is the weight distribution affected during transport?
Hold it steady while I apply the tension.
Got it, secure on my end. Look at that precision. It's entirely manual control. Yeah, completely reliant on the ground operator's skill. The push motor design clears the nose for the sensor payload. It's becoming standard issue for these UAVs.
He watches the truck begin its run, knowing the transition from the mount to independent flight is the most critical moment.
Falcon 1, this is ground control, confirm stable flight path.
Ground control, reading you loud and clear. Flight path stable.
Confirmed approach vector. Preparing for final descent.
All right, keep your eyes on that fuselage. Copy that. Looks like it's drifting left.
That's gonna leave a mark. Skid looks stable though.
Copy. Keep eyes on the fuselage integrity.
We have a catastrophic failure on the prototype. Moving to assess. Wait, is it safe? Get the fire suppression ready. This impact cracked the main strut.
Another setback. We won't fly this bird for months.
Battery switch engaged. External power off. Flight controls checked and free. Canopy coming down.
All green. Confirm ground clear.
Affirmative. Clear to launch.
Check rudder, left and center. Ailerons, cycle.
Roger. Full movement confirmed.
Roger that. Landing gear checks complete. A 16 is clear to move.
Taking off in the turbulent wake requires stable engines. This is called minimum interval takeoff, or MIT.
The A-10 is not a dogfighter, but its bubble canopy provides an unparalleled view of the ground situation.
He watches the runway disappear behind the jet, knowing that the Warthog's rugged design allows it to operate from austere airfields.
He knows that the A-10's true purpose is unleashed when it drops low into the valleys, hunting targets in the dirt.
The sheer mechanical stress when this cannon fires vibrates the entire airframe.
It's incredible it holds together at 3,000 rounds a minute. Rotor assembly secure.
Roger that. Pushing the envelope. We are at max G load.
They had to set the GAU-8 offset to the left, and at a 2-degree downward angle, just to compensate for the recoil.
Look at that spread.
Target neutralized.
Keep the burst short, otherwise the gun will melt and the aircraft might stall.
Flash, target neutralized. Confirmation on secondary explosions.
Copy that. Heading back to base.
A-10s are subsonic and can fly at low altitudes, where they are highly maneuverable due to their large wing area.
Engine 3, starboard side. Confirming torque specifications on the auxiliary drive shaft now. Roger that. Reading steady pressure on the gauge. Torque specs are here, 75.
Roger that.
All U.S. Air Force aircraft require different levels of maintenance to keep them flying.
Fuel line 42 confirmed, pressurized.
Roger that. Check complete.
All right, easy now. Take the tension up slowly. We're clear on the inboard side. All right, easy now. Take the tension up slowly. We're clear on the inboard side. Torque on the upper cowling is complete.
Copy that. Checking the harness now. Clear to lift on my mark.
Roger. Engaging winch. Steady pull. Easy now, easy. 5 feet to go. Hold it right there. Alignment confirmed.
200 pounds lighter. Makes the swap easier.
Roger that. Keep an eye on the torque specs for the new mounts.
Okay, easy now. Bring it up 5 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Found the torque wrench, moving to the main gear.
Okay, copy that. Crane, lower 5 feet.
The design of the Dowdy propellers provide the aircraft with greater efficiency than regular 4-bladed propellers.